Hi all, and welcome to the next video. I got a response. I'm responding to a comment I had off my events. Joe Line, Lindsay, I think, Lindsay. Yeah, I'm not paid to advertise these events, you know. Google it. That's all I had to do was Google it. It was bloody beautiful here. Hark of those birds. Yeah, I just Googled it, and you know, you get the tickets online. You see what the event is about online. As for Van Love Fest being a swingers party, if you would have Googled it, you would have found out what it's all about. It's all about people that like to get together with you know, a lifestyle of the same. We're all van lifers, and you know, we go to these shows to meet together, have a party. Not that sort of party though. But it is an event, and that one is a good one. But it is a long way away, and it's in York, just outside York. So that was in response to a comment I had off the events, what events I was going to. And as for Stratford, I mean, yes, I know there's about 15 Stratfords in Britain, and I didn't add that it was Stratford-on-Avon. But if you would have Googled it and come up with the events, you know, van life events, then it would have shown you how it was done. So, right, get on with the video. Right. It's what a difference a day makes. Me, all secluded, all on my Todd. There was 3 big motorhomes here. Wheelies. There was a brand spanking new Transit motorhome, and now this A-Class came in late last night, and we've just been talking with them. Very chatty. But little Will's tucked away in there somewhere. But it chucked down all night, as you can see by the amount of water that's on the floor. And it was wet, and my heater's going. Right, where was I? It's only just stopped raining now, and on the Marlborough Downs, a space for nature. That's the one that's planted on the rock. I mean, there is no barrier across there at the moment, but there is on the other side of the road, because this is the Ridgeway Walk. There we go, there's the Ridgeway, the National Trail. I think it's 87 miles long, and that's where we are. No, that's where it starts, that's where it finishes, and we are at Ackpen Hill in Wiltshire. Well, Swindon is only just over the hill there. Well, yeah, that's right. Yeah, Swindon's over there. Yeah, you can just about see the old military base over the far side. But anyway, I was going to get the bike out today if it was going to be like yesterday. And there's the map of it on the back of the board. So it goes right from Overton Hill, right the way through, and it carries on, and I think it goes down by Stonehenge somewhere. Not 100% sure. But anyway, and of course it's got several white horses, chalk horses, which the one here is just the other side of those trees, which I showed you on the last video, the drone footage. So, well, that's a point I better check, because I've had it on for a week now. Yep, I definitely need to put some diesel in, because she's only an inch away from the outlet. So, it'll do for today. I'll fill it up when I get to we're going to go and have a pub stop over tonight, get a decent meal in us. We haven't had one since last week, so there. Right, this is a brilliant little pub. Wow. And the landlord has asked us, yes, to promote the place. Look at the size of the car park. And, you know, we tucked ourselves. He said he didn't mind 2 or 3 maybe 4 in here. And okay, it was, is it Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Wednesday. The car park, there's no more than about 6 or 7 cars in here last night, and they all parked as close as they can to get to the door. So you know, the rest of the car park's empty. But there is chickens the other side of this fence, and I've not heard them at all. They said that all the neighbours are complaining about the cockerels, but they've not crowed this morning. But as you can see, we're sat there. I'll give you a few clips of the inside of the pub and the front of the pub, and I'll also put down the 3 words. Yeah, I mean, there is a farm next door. Didn't hear nothing from that. So it's chucking it down the rain now, but we're just about to leave, and we're going to hit the road, find another park up. So we'll catch you at the next one. What you got, Will?
I got pork.
No, you got the bill. That bloody pork looks bloody great.
Oh,
Does look
really
nice.
Fish and chips. What have you got? You got
I've got some bugger else's phone in my video.
Oh, sorry. Hang on, let's come round. We get both phones. You got burger and chips. You weren't talking, so I didn't think you were videoing.
Triple cooked.
Triple cut.
Yeah,
Triple cooked. Cooked.
apparently. Very nice.
Right. It looks nice. And he's had a sniff of the barman's apron.
I've lost count how many I've had now.